Are you looking for the best dog houses? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best dog houses on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Aivituvun Dog House. Aivituvun has an insulated doghouse no matter what size dog you have. Made of wood with a metal frame, this doghouse is available with an insulated liner. The company has been making professional pet houses for 21 years. They understand pet parents want an aesthetically pleasing, functional, affordable doghouse. The 100% fir wood is coated with waterproof paint. It is ideal for indoor and outdoor use for all seasons. Highlights: easy to assemble, and each part is stamped separately for ease. 6-sided insulated liner removes easily for machine washing. Strong iron frame for longevity. Available in a variety of sizes to accommodate all dogs. Durable enough for a 180-pound adult to sit on. Pet parents can decorate the outside for personal style. Nicely priced for all budgets. Things to consider: some pet parents report better screws are needed. Make sure to order the size to best accommodate your dog. Number 2. Petsfit 47-inch Dog House. Big dogs deserve a doghouse that feels like home. Petsfit hits a home run with its large-sized doghouse that can easily accommodate up to 2 pups. Overall dimensions measure 47L x 40W x 43.5H. The waterproof PVC material for the roof is weather-resistant and washes easily. Because the roof is slanted, rain won't accumulate. Dogs will love their personal view of the world thanks to the included window. If your yard is uneven, there is no need to worry. This large doghouse remains stable thanks to its adjustability. Highlights: extra large doghouse that is rainproof with sun protection. Door flap, adjustable feet pads, and windproof window. Ideal for dogs from bulldogs to German shepherds and golden retrievers. Foot pads minimum height is 3.3 inches and adjust as needed. White flower railing allows pet parents to decorate the doghouse. Modern streamlined look. Easy to assemble. Things to consider: available in one color, gray. Most ideal for one large dog. Number 3. Suncast Deluxe Dog House. Durable, waterproof, and cozy, these are 3 words to describe the Suncast Deluxe Dog House. Designed to house dogs up to 100 pounds, the well-ventilated design keeps pets comfortable and right at home. Made of sturdy resin, the removable roof makes cleaning a snap. It easily snaps together and features vents to improve air circulation. Thanks to the included labels, you can add personalized touches for your dog. Highlights: the crown channeled floor offers a comfortable surface and ensures your dog has a dry and clean environment. Constructed with waterproof, durable materials. Easy to clean. Made with a sturdy resin material. Spacious, clean, modern design. Ideal for larger dogs or small ones who want space. Sturdy and built for longevity. Things to consider: one color choice, blue and taupe. Some pet parents say it feels lightweight. Number 4. Lifetime Deluxe Dog House. This luxury doghouse has it all. It starts with a channel and ridge wall for impact resistance and long-lasting performance. The rough-cut texture is durable and gives the look and feel of natural wood without all the upkeep. Made of plastic, this low-maintenance design features an easy-to-open rooftop. Water easily drains out thanks to the base channels. The weighted vinyl door allows dogs to come and go. As for the sun's rays, the entire unit is UV protected. This luxury doghouse will accommodate most dogs from small to extra large. Highlights: measures 38.2 x 47.1 w x 38.2 h with plenty of room to move. Comes with a partition wall that subdivides the interior space. Built for outdoor conditions and longevity. Double wall system, DWS, features grid joint welds for strength. Cleans easily. Has 2 translucent, adjustable side vents for lighting and airflow. Clean, modern design. Things to consider: one color option. Luxury comes with a price. Number 5. Lemberi Durable Waterproof Plastic Dog House. The Lemberi company features innovative designs for pets. Their durable, waterproof, plastic doghouse has features galore at an affordable price. The sloping roof easily repels rainwater to ensure your pooch stays dry year-round. The 2.7-inch elevated base prevents water from seeping into the unit. Dogs receive good air circulation thanks to the two top vents. A strong base support with 5 cylindrical plastic feet ensures pressure distribution for stability. It comes with 2 plastic nails for grass or sand for pet parents who want extra stability. Highlights: rich, modern design made of plastic for easy upkeep. Detachable doghouse makes it easy to clean. Double air vents for adequate airflow year-round. Easy to assemble. Several color choices. Elevated base to keep dogs off the ground and dry. Things to consider: not insulated. May need 2 people to hold it up to assemble.